welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, we will be having a contact lenses haul from EYEVOS. Ayan guys, so this is the box. I got 3 colors from them. So if you want to buy from them, make sure to visit EYEVOS.com and use my code AREA13 to buy 2 and get 3 pairs for free. So don't forget to use my code AREA13 to buy 2 and get 3 contact lenses from their website at EYEVOS.com. Ito yung kanyang box. Di ba ang cute? Their contact lenses are soft hydrophilic contact lens. Here is a short unboxing video. This was the first time when I opened this package. As you can see, we received 3 contact lenses with 2 free cases. Ayun, diba? Ang ganda ng dalawang case. It's transparent. And then, tatlong colors. This is what the contact lens packaging looks like. Over here is the shade or the name of the contact lens. For this one, it's Uniture Rora Purple. I'm opening it with a cutter. And it came with a contact lens case. And here is the contact lenses. The contact lens case. Here are the other 2 colors, which is Himalaya Blue and Curly Girl. Okay, now I will give you tips guys about contact lenses. First is, huwag niyo siyang gamitin in excess of the time. Kunwari, ang contact lens na to, these contact lenses are good for 1 year. Ito, period of use niya, which is 1 year. And gamitin niyo lang siya dapat guys in 1 year. Wag niyo na siyang gamitin exceeding 1 year kasi this will harm your eyes. Kung dadating sa inyo yung contact lens and if yung seal ng kanyang lalagyan is broken, don't use it because it may be contaminated or merong issue sa contact lens na yun. Just an updated version on how to put contact lenses from my past video. I will give you a small, short tutorial on how to put on contact lenses for beginners. Before starting, clean your contact lens case with hot water and then put the solution. Now you'll open the contact lens and put it in the case with the solution like this one. You will soak it for about 8 hours and more. Now I'll teach you how to put on contact lenses. Step 1, make sure that your hands are clean. Ayan, kakagaling ko lang sa CR and I just washed my hands. Ang first natin ito try na color, Himalayan Blue. Yun yung una nating color na gagamitin, which I put it here. Nakababad na to siya guys ng how many hours? More than 8 hours na to siya nakababad. So use your index finger. Kunin niyo yung contact lens. Put it on the tip of your index finger. Make sure na yung contact lens nyo is hindi siya upside down or baliktad. Kung baliktad yung contact lens nyo, dito may irritate yung mata nyo and makati. Put your index finger, yung left or yung hindi yung ginagamit na kamay sa pilik mata. Actually, use 2 fingers. And then, itong middle finger, pang drag nyo sa, dito sa under eye nyo, i-drag nyo. Ganito. Ayan guys, so as you can see, ang bilis niya lang nalagay. Ang trick talaga sa paglagay ng contact lens is don't blink. So it's still adjusting to my eyes. Oh my god, naluluha ako yung aking eyeliner. So let's wait for it to mag-adjust because this is my first time wearing again. So let's try the left one. The same hand, middle and index, and then left. This is Himalayan Blue. And di ba ang ganda? It's normal lang guys kung at first uncomfortable siya because of course you're putting something in your eye. So don't expect na normal siya agad sa mata nyo. So this is what it looks like malayo. Hindi ko lang kung maklaro nyo pero medyo na bura yung makeup ko dito na part. Kasi medyo napaluha ako. Don't mind na lang yung nasira kong makeup. Now, let's move on to the second one, which is the Uniture Rora Purple. Ilalagay ko lang yung contact lens off cam at ipapakita ko lang sa inyo. This is the second one, which is the Uniture Rora Purple. Ang ganda niya, guys. It's natural looking. Hindi siya masyadong halata like the previous one. I like it very much. Ito siya pag malayo. Diba ang ganda niya? I'm not sure if halata. Kasi hindi ko rin masyadong maklaro. Nag-contact lens ka, pero hindi siya ganun ka vibrant and all. Basta ang ganda ng kulay niya. Now, we will move on to the last color na ito try natin. And I will be back. This is the last one, which is Curly Girl. So, as you can see, it's really, really light. Bagay na bagay siya pang cat eye look. It's really fierce. Diba? Pack. First time ko magkaroon ng ganitong color ng contact lens. Ito naman siya, guys, kung malayuan. Diba? Ang ganda. Ayun na, guys, so that is all for this video. Don't forget to check out EYEVOS.com, and if you're going to buy contact lenses, don't forget to use my code AREA13. If you will buy 2 pairs, you will get 3 pairs for free. Ayan, guys, so don't forget to use my code AREA13 on EYEVOS.com kung gusto nyo bumili ng contact lenses from them. From the 3, ang favorite ko na contact lens is yung purple, the second one, kasi ang ganda niya tingnan. Don't forget to check out EYEVOS on their Instagram account at EYEVOS Official, their YouTube, EYEVOS, and their Facebook, EYEVOS. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be updated on my latest uploads. Ayan, so feel free to recommend any videos that you want me to do next or any hauls na gusto nyong gawin ko. I will try to buy anything kung meron ma kayong masuggest or you want to see. Don't forget to follow me in my social media accounts, my Facebook, my Twitter, my Instagram, and also my TikTok then at Erica_Lalata. Bye-bye!